Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Welcome to a fresh new week. It's a fresh new week over here on the 26th of August. Now, what you're looking at is what we did on Friday. So on Friday, we were looking for buyers above 24.96 and we got them. Look at this. Above 24.96, the market pushed up, closed above, and boom. We had TP1, 2, 3 hit within a minute. All the three. Take profit were hit within a minute, like 1, 2, 3, and done. So congratulations to everybody that took it. The sales were above 24.88, never happened. Well and good, but we did get some very good profit on the buy side. So congratulations once again, everybody that took this trade. Continue being persistent in this market. See, opportunities come and go. The thing is, you may miss the opportunity the first time, but the second time, don't miss it. All right, don't let it just slip away from you. Now learn, go through all the different recordings that I've done or the different live sessions that we've done over here, and go through them. Just check them out. All right. Let's see what we have today then. What do we have? Actually, basically, just for the whole week. What do we have? What do we have for the whole week? We start on Monday. Monday, we have medium impact, durable goods order, core durable goods, nothing much. Basically, Tuesday, we'll be having the consumer confidence. It's going to move the market a bit. We're going to having the CPI on the AUD on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, we're going to be having the German prelim, the CPI on euro, and then we're gonna having the GBP on the USD and unemployment claims on Thursday. So that's gonna be a good move for the market. On Friday, we got what? See the PCE, nice. The core PCE, of course, this is gonna move the market. We have the CPI on the euro, and then we have the GDP on the CAD. We also have the manufacturing PMI on the Chinese yuan on Saturday. That's market will be closed, definitely. Good. So that's what we have for today. Nothing much to worry about. It's actually a bank holiday for the GBP. So that's something you should put in your back of your mind to know that if you trade any GBP pair, then you know it's going to be affected majorly by the pair that is paired, the other currency that is paired with. Okay. So we're going to remove everything and then we're going to jump into our analysis. Price action based on market structure. We're going to be using support and resistance to get the structures right. So that's where we are. This is monthly. All right. We still, like I keep on saying I've been saying this every single day. We still don't have a monthly resistance. We just still don't have a monthly resistance. Why? Because the monthly candle hasn't yet closed, right? And there's no other candle that is above the current candle. So we can't really have a place that we can say it should come up to this point. No, for that now we are just moving with the flow. We're just moving with the flow. How the market is moving, that's how we move. So on weekly, like right now, on weekly, you see what we have here on weekly is this is the current candle and this is the previous week's candle. So the previous week's candle is above the current candle. So now we can say that is a weekly resistance. Yeah. So we have a weekly resistance finally. Last week we did not have as well. All right. We talk about the weekly support over here. Weekly support comes down right over there. So weekly support over there. Then we go down to daily. There we go. All right, now weekly support comes down right over there. Daily will come right over here again. Yep, daily support. Daily support. On terms of resistance on the daily, we could get it from that point. You can see there's a place where the market is not passing. This candle was rejected, this one, and this one, the current one. So we can call that place a daily support area that is forming. Daily resistance, sorry, that is forming. Let's confirm on 4 hours to see what we got on 4 hours. 4 hours, we have this low as the H4. You have the H4 support over here. And then we have, that's at the daily resistance slash daily slash H4. We're gonna name it like that. That one falls over there. Then weekly, we go down to what? We go down to 1 hour. We go down to 1 hour. We bring up over here H1 support over here. H1 support. All right, I'm not gonna ignore these one as well. It's gonna be very well catered for. 30 minutes. What do we have on 30 minutes? Okay, so now here we are on 30 minutes. We have another area of resistance over here. The market is actually hitting. And it's not really a very good area that we could say that the market needs to. We need a lot of volumes, basically. Let's just say that. We just need some good volumes to push the market past. Because over here, there's that point again, you see. So it's not really all sunshine when it comes to the buys right now, as the market is at the highest point. So we're not gonna ignore this. Okay, over there. Good. I think the sales looks pretty nice. But anyway, let's see where the market is right now. This is the current place. This could be a very nice breakout, but now that will need us to go to a lower time frame, which I'm not really interested with going to a lower time frame. I think that's 30 minutes is enough up to that point. If we go to 15 minutes, yeah, still the same. It will need us to keep on going to a lower time frame. We go to 5 minutes, that's why we can find, you see, in 5 minutes, that's when we can only find a support that is forming over here. With 50 minutes, it's not yet formed because the candle is still active. 30 minutes is not yet formed because the candle is still active. So basically, that's gonna be more of a quick trade. But should we form a support, should here on these 30 minutes have something like this, to a candle trying to go down, doesn't go, the other one does like that, then we're going to be talking about a support formation over there, and then we can trade this gap. But as at now, and nope, we don't have that luxury of that now. So we're going to look for potential sales below this point. Potential point sales below 2509, 2509. Yeah. No. Below 2508. 2508. Yeah. That's the point. I want it to go below this point over here so that we can hit TP1 down here. And we hit the 2. After we hit the 2, we could hit the 3 probably. Right about there. TP3. All right. All right. There we go. There we go. Bam. Something like that. For the sells, for the buys on the other side, it's quite fragile for the buys, because even if we have a break above this point, we have a very quick area above that the same point over there that needs to be broken, and another one that is actually a H4 daily resistance. But should we break that? Should we break that daily H4 resistance? So I'm gonna be talking about buys above this point. Possible buys above the 25 to 25.21. Yeah, at that time, should we get some good pressure, some good volumes, we're gonna push all the way up to this point, right? To take P over here. So probably we can peg on something like that on the long run for the buys, just to fill up that area. Stop loss will be right over there. Let's say probably we could work with something like that in terms of buys that are there. Over here, we need some very good volumes. We need some very good volumes, of which I see we don't have any fundamental that is going to push the market. But should we get some good volumes in the market, probably we need just one candle to cross all along like this and then close above this point so that we can continue with the buys up to this point. All right. Great. So what we want to see is definitely, this is what we want to see before I finish. This is what we want to see. We want to see probably candles breaking above this point and closing above that point so that we can continue with the buys, or we want to see this market come down and then break below this point so that we can take sales. But I said, should we have a formation of a support? Should we have some, maybe this candle closes like that and the next candle still doesn't break this low and doesn't break that high, then we're going to be talking about there's a formation of a support over here on the 30 minutes. So should we break below this point, this line that I've put over here, then we could even start the sales from this point all the way down. So this will be TP1 and then as we progress down, okay? Should we not have that? Let's keep an eye on this. As at now, this is what we're focusing on. 25.0 below 25.08, above 25.21. All right, guys. I know it's a very big range over here to play with, but it's also a very nice range for us to be not risk a lot on it. All right. It's gonna be a very safe area for us to stay away. All right, guys. Thank you very much, and let's keep an eye. It's a Monday, it's the beginning of the week, so there's plenty of opportunities coming out this week, so keep your eye peeled and keep your risk management on point. Trade what you see and not what you think. All right, guys? Have a good one and take care. Bye-bye.